Alison Hammond is now one of Britain's most beloved presenters. However, there was a time the former reality TV star felt not good enough to host This Morning. It comes after Alison and her co-host Dermot O'Leary replaced Eamonn and Ruth on Friday mornings last year. The 47-year-old appeared in the third series of Big Brother back in 2002 before going on to host regular segments of This Morning in 2003. The star has spoken about how the role was first offered to her in a revealing interview with co-star Holly Willoughby on her new podcast By the Light of the Moon. Speaking on how she first became associated with This Morning, Alison said, "This morning rang and said, 'Would you like to do a strand?' And I was like, I might do. Obviously I was like desperate. I was like, what are you offering? They said, we've got this strand, it's really good, it's only until December, would you like to do it? I said, yeah, I'm totally up for that. Then that 3-month contract has been 20 years, Alison added. Holly replied in disbelief, has it really been that long? 20 years? The This Morning host confirmed, yep, 20 years now. Holly continued, so that's 20 years, and then you have been doing Fridays with Dermot O'Leary, now for a year. The mum of one shared, we had our anniversary the other day. I can't believe it's gone so quick. Holly queried, when you first started, if you had known then that you were going to get the sofa job at some point, would you have believed it? Alison answered, absolutely not, I don't think that was even in my head. I probably never dreamt that big. I've never dreamt that big before. That wasn't even on my radar. Don't miss, even when they came to me with that job. I was like, really? I was thrown by it, she explained. Holly was stunned that Alison was not more confident of her appeal to a wider audience. She asked, why were you thrown? Alison admitted, it's that fear, isn't it? You just think you're not good enough. You think it's too much for you. I didn't feel like I was qualified. Despite her fears, she has proved to be very popular with TV audiences who love her warm personality and infectious laughter. Last week Alison confessed to ditching the This Morning stylist and dressing herself, with her look going down a storm with fans. While usual main presenters Holly and her co-host Philip Schofield were hosting live from Buckingham Palace, Alison was left to run things in the main studio. Sharing a snap of her outfit on Instagram, Alison looked stunning in the yellow zebra print dress, which she paired with a long black cardigan and black sandals. She completed her look with bright yellow earrings, matching her yellow and pink nails, as well as a glamorous palette of makeup. This Morning airs weekdays on ITV at 10 a.m.